Hello, I'm Eugene. I'm a Year 4 Civil Engineering student at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, HKUST. As an awardee of the HKIE Scholarship in 2022-23, I'm honored to share with you my participation in HKIE activities in the previous year. I wish to thank HKIE and HKUST for their continued support. I have always found sustainability an interesting topic. I joined the HKIE public lecture called From Barren Rock to Metropolis to Greener, Smarter, and Happier. The speaker was former HKIE President Engineer Aaron Bok. I was impressed by the housing, railway, and highway development projects in Hong Kong. One highlight was the prioritization of enhancing quantity, speed, efficiency, and quality of housing projects. I wish to make contributions to those areas, especially through exploring new construction methods and technologies, such as the Modular Integrated Construction, MIC, and Building Information Modeling, BIM, in my studies. Another highlight was the on-campus seminar called Engineering a Bright Future for Hong Kong. I was very happy to learn about the mega-scale construction projects in Hong Kong, such as the Kao Yi Chau Artificial Islands development. I can't wait to contribute and one day lead in similar large-scale projects. I also paid close attention to some of the keywords shared by engineer Aaron Bok, such as diversify, vibrant, and challenges. I will continue to bring in exciting ideas to create a better future. I'm also pretty happy to share about my international exchange experience. I went to the University of British Columbia, UBC, in Canada for 1 semester. It was a great opportunity for me to broaden my horizons and also network with people from different backgrounds. In particular, I really enjoyed bringing in and exploring new engineering perspectives. For example, I had the opportunity to dig deeper into different construction materials, and it was very interesting. I can't wait to explore more in my further studies and also in my future career. Here, I wish to shout out a huge thank you to HKIE and HKUST for their generous support. The scholarship funded the exchange program, which really lowered my financial burden. Once again, I would like to thank HKIE and HKUST for supporting my exploration journey, helping me to become an all-around civil engineering leader in the near future. I am certain that engineering, especially civil engineering, is a field where all things are possible. I promise to utilize my talents to make our world a better place together. Last but not least, I will end with a quote that I find very motivating, and it's a quote from Albert Einstein, which is, "You never fail until you stop trying." Thank you.